In this video, I'll guide you through how to customize the create list form in HubSpot so it shows exactly the fields you care about when building new lists. This is really useful if you're tired of hunting for the same properties over and over, or if you want your team to follow a consistent process when creating lists. Let's start right from the main HubSpot dashboard. At the top of the screen, look for the gear icon in the main navigation bar. This is your shortcut into the settings area where most of the deeper configuration options live. Go ahead and click that gear icon to open your HubSpot settings. Once the settings page loads, focus on the left-hand sidebar. This is where HubSpot groups all of your tools and configuration options. You're looking for the section labeled Objects. Click on Objects to expand it, and from the options that appear, select Lists. This will take you into the settings area, specifically for managing how lists behave in your account. Inside the list settings, look toward the top of the page for a tab called Record Customization. This tab controls how things look and feel when you're working with lists, including what you see when you first create them. Click on Record Customization to open those options. Now you're on the page where you can actually customize the create list form. The key idea here is that you're not changing how lists work behind the scenes. You're simply deciding which properties show up on the screen when someone creates a new list. This helps guide users to fill in the right information every time. Look for the area where you can choose or manage properties that appear on the create list form. You should see an option to select properties. When you open this, you'll see a list of available properties that you can add. These might include things like description, folder, list type, or any other relevant list-related properties that matter to your workflow. Take a moment to think about what information is most important when someone creates a new list. For example, you might want a description field to explain what the list is for, or a category field so your team can keep things organized. Select the properties that make the most sense for your process. When you choose these properties, you're telling HubSpot, show these fields every time someone creates a new list. As you add or remove properties, you'll typically see a preview or a clear indication of what will appear on the create list form going forward. This is a good time to keep things simple. Avoid adding too many properties, or the form can become cluttered and confusing. Instead, focus on the essentials that will help your team understand each list at a glance. Once you're happy with your selections, make sure your changes are saved. HubSpot usually saves automatically or provides a save button depending on the page layout. After saving, the next time you or anyone on your team clicks to create a new list, those selected properties will appear right on the form, ready to be filled out. That's all there is to it. You've customized the create list form in HubSpot so it works better for your specific needs and keeps your list creation process clear, consistent, and efficient.